Okay, we're rolling. Hopefully I got a microphone plugged in. You can hear my voice. Just got done. I procrastinated. But little bolt thing had broken on this gentleman's 2200 Magnum. Start with the 5 pumps. See what she's got for gas in the tank here. You coming to help, Sky? Yeah. I'll tell you what, 22 pellets are a lot easier to flip in here than a 177. 5 pumps, 523. Smoking. Old gun, she's still building up good pressure. I'm shooting now. 14.3 Crosman hollow point. And we're at 10 pumps. See what she's got, Sky. 584. Haven't retained air. Nope. As I slow down after 5, Sky, you can't be sitting right there. I'm gonna put another pellet over the cranny. You come here, girl. Come on. Be a good girl. Back on the chair. There we go. You can sit on the chair by me. Oop, that one flipped backwards. And I did it twice. There we go. Okay, here we go, Sky. Last one. 577. So, yeah. That's about right. Anyway, I thought I'd share the customer will be coming by about 11 o'clock today. Pick it up. It'll be a happy camper. We'll bring some magical oil for it. And we're ready to go. Well, this is a quickie. Because somebody wants to play It's Saturday, she says. I didn't know there was such a thing as a Catterday, or, well, she proved me wrong. There is a Catterday.